Hi, it's Cameron Shackle from ActiveADAPTER.com. This is a demo of how to use our Active Directory adapters to retrieve information from Active Directory into BizTalk. In this demo, I'm going to be setting up a simple receive location to give us a listing of the users in the users container of a little domain I've set up, test.local. So to do that, we go into our BizTalk server admin console, which already has the Active Directory adapters installed. As you see in the adapters listing here, you've got one called Active Directory right there. So to create our application, we go to our default BizTalk application and create a new receive port. Take a copy of the receive port name, create a new receive location, choose the Active Directory transport type, configure, we'll call this one receive 1, and just go in and set up some query settings. We'll change the query interval to every 10 seconds. Our container, we'll go down and our domain is test.local. The filter, we can use the example filter. In there, the search scope will be one level, which means that no objects in lower containers will be returned. And properties to return, we'll just leave what's there and get the canonical name, the description, and the mail, which is in fact the email address for the Active Directory object. So we've created the receive location, we'll click OK. Now we'll just go in and create a send port that will act as a way of seeing our results. So we'll create a file, send port, tell it to put any results in file drop send 1, choose OK, and we'll put a filter on this send port so that anything that comes into receive port 1 goes through to our folder. Click OK there. Okay, and that's our application. Choose start, and there's our first message already come in. If we watch that for another 10 seconds, we'll see another message come into BizTalk, and that message is formatted using the schema we supply. So you can see we have the canonical name there of administrator, its description, and its email address. So that's just a simple query that's happening every 10 seconds and giving you full results. The receive adapter also has a couple of other modes, which I'll give you a quick demo of. If we configure the receive location, we'll see the query mode. We've got it set for full results. There is another mode here, changes only. So in this mode, only changes are returned in the objects. So we'll leave it at the same settings otherwise. So every 10 seconds, the adapter is now querying Active Directory. I'll delete the existing results. And you can see there are no results coming in because no changes are taking place. But if I go into Active Directory and suppose I change that administrator's email address to changed at test.local, click OK. If we monitor our folder, we should see a message come through that the email address for that account has changed, and there it is there. If we look inside there, it's in another format, a schema we supply also, Active Directory query results change, and that specifies which property has changed, in this case the mail, and the old value was admin, the new value is changed. So that's a quick demo of a couple of the modes of the receive adapter for Active Directory. Thank you for watching, and please watch some of our other videos on YouTube. Or to grab our evaluation package, visit ActiveADAPTER.com. There's the address there. Or if you want to contact me, Cameron at ActiveADAPTER.com. Happy biz talking.